Gawa tayo ng shortbread cookies using only 4 ingredients. Yup, 4 lang. All-purpose flour, butter, confectioner's sugar, and the secret ingredient is Emulco vanilla. Whip your butter until creamy. If you're using unsalted, add a pinch of salt. Pag nakita mo na naging light and creamy na yung butter mo, add mo na ang powdered sugar mo. And again, whip. Make sure mag-start ka sa low speed kasi baka mapulbuhan ka ng powdered sugar. Slowly bring it up to a higher speed at i-cream mo siya hanggang maging light and fluffy. At huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik, idagdag mo na ang iyong flour. Siyempre, sa umpisa mabagal uli at pabilis na mapabilis. Hanggang ma-achieve mo ang consistent na itsura. At idadagdag mo na ang ating pangmalakasan at secret ingredient na Emulco vanilla. Concentrated ang vanilla taste nito, kaya 1 teaspoon lang. Mix again hanggang maglaho ang vanilla. Naglatag nga ako dito ng parchment paper, pwede rin ng wax paper, baking paper, basta kailangan medyo makapal siya. Tapos, transfer ko na yung ating shortbread cookie dough. Flatten lang muna natin siya using a spatula. Tapos, i-cover natin siya ng another sheet of parchment paper. Ako, naglagay lang ako ng mahaba, tapos finold ko lang siya. And then, we're going to flatten it further using a rolling pin. Ang gusto kong i-achieve dito is about 3/4 of a centimeter to a centimeter. Mas maganda kasi siya kung medyo thick. Hindi siya masaya pag masyadong manipis. Iba yon. Sugar cookies yon. So, I'm cutting using a round cookie cutter. This is about 3 inches in diameter. Chinil ko muna pala siya. I chilled it for about 30 minutes to firm it up. Saka ko ginamitan ng cut. Siyempre, bake na natin siya. Transfer lang natin siya sa isang pan na merong baking paper para hindi siya dumikit. And we are going to bake it at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes or hanggang maging brown yung paligid ng cookie. Sorry, hindi ko na video yung pagpasok sa oven at paglabas kasi nakalimutan ng auntie ninyo. Now, pwede ba natin lagyan ng flavor ang cookie na to? Yes, you can add Emulco in any flavor that you want so you have a flavored shortbread cookie. So, mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo pa rin ang finished product despite not being able to show you how it was in the oven. So, alam nyo na yan. Gets nyo na yan. Nagbabake naman kayo talaga. And this is your pambansang ante saying, hindi kailangan maging nakamamatay ang paggawa ng masarap na cookie. Because we can always make good cookies the easy way. Like this. And of course, the secret ingredient is Emulco vanilla. And voila, here is our finished product. Napakaganda, napakakinis, at napakasarap. Yun lang po, and mabuhay! Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.